Alright guys, we're back with another video. You can see we got these new speakers here. They're Kenwood 100 watt 8 ohm speakers. These things move a hell of a lot, as you saw like before. These things can move quite a bit. And yeah, so like we're gonna open these up and we're gonna see what it looks like inside, because these things get loud. These things reach like around 100 decibels. So we're just gonna like unscrew this woofer and see what it looks like, what the back side of this woofer looks like. We have it out of the box now. This is what it looks like in there. You can see it's got the small magnet, but this thing sounds really good and it moves a hell of a lot. It's moving so much that it's shaking. The entire driver is actually shaking. Look at that. That's insane. But you can see it's pretty loud when it's not in the box, but it just doesn't really sound as good. Now we're just gonna put the phone inside the box here and we'll see what the tweeters and that's what the tweeter looks like. This is the mid-range driver. And then up here, you got like the tweeter at the top there. I don't even know if I caught the tweeter. I just put my phone in the box without knowing, but yeah. It's got some acoustic dampening foam in there. You can see that's probably why it sounds really good. This dust cap is like one of those dust caps that comes back out when you try to push it in. Yeah, this driver is massive, but the magnet is probably around the size of like a 6.5 inch driver. But yeah, this thing is probably not 100 watts, but I don't know. It's probably like advertising. It could actually be 100 watts because it seems like it's taking 22 watts and it's moving that much. That was 22 watts there. This is a 22 watt amplifier that we're using to power it. So yeah, we're gonna just put this back in there now. So we got this crappy Bluetooth speaker that has like no bass. It goes loud, but it has no bass. And of course it's a Sylvania. Okay, I think that thing, wait, did it actually just die? It said battery low multiple times and then it just shut off. Yeah, well I did just buy it from the store, so. Oh, it's turning back on, okay.
Bluetooth mode.
Yeah, nobody cares.
Bluetooth connected.
There you go. We're just gonna throw this thing. Let's see if this thing can handle a drop. Okay, yeah, it can handle a drop. Yeah, it can handle a drop. It just shut off because of the stupid battery again there. It's got a scuff though. Okay, let's turn it back on because here we go.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
Doesn't actually sound that good though. Keeps shutting off because of battery. Wait, is there already something rattling in there? Look. Bro, is that like the speaker driver to like come loose? I don't know. Sounds pretty bad. Let's check what's in there actually. Let's see like the internal amp and stuff.
Bluetooth mode.
I think it's got a hinge problem now.
Bluetooth connected.
Right on the light. It keeps turning off. Stop turning off, dude. So dumb. Like, dude,
Bluetooth
it's even
mode.
rattling at certain frequencies. You hear that?
Bluetooth connected. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
Bro, stop. Oh, wait. Oh, of course. Button got pushed in. I gotta like push it with something pointy now. Oh yeah. I think I just broke the on button. See if we can get in there and push it again. Okay, that driver seems kind of cheap. Let's look at that driver. Yeah, let's peel this open. Oh my gosh, wait, oh, there's a passive radiator. Could use that, it's like a racetrack passive radiator. Let's take a look at this driver. 4 ohms, 3 watts. 3 watts, this thing's 3 watts. Of course, dude. The passive radiator, classic. Hides the cheapness of the driver and makes it sound better using this thing that produces more bass, like 10 times more bass than these little crap things. We're probably gonna blow these drivers later. Let's try and turn this on here. Still works.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay. See how much this speaker
Bluetooth
moves.
connected.
Yep, keeps shutting off because the crappy, stupid battery. This is an amp board. I'm probably gonna keep the amp board actually, a nice 3 watt amp board. Pushing the wrong button.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
I think there's another passive radiator inside there. Gotta like break open this thing. Let's try breaking open this thing. I'm trying so hard not to like break the amp or anything right now though. Or the passive radiators. I want to keep those, the passive radiators. Okay, yeah, there we go. I just broke it. Oh, except it can't rip out the piece. Hold on a sec. Right, guys, we got that racetrack passive radiator right here. Here's our 2 passive radiators. I'm probably gonna put these inside of the speaker box. See if I can get these things to move. They got like plastic cone in the middle. Right, guys, we got the other crappy 3 watt driver in there. Let's just see how crappy these sound here. Oh yeah, that's quiet.
Mode.
Let's see here.
Bluetooth connected.
Sounds so much more crappy without the passive radiators. Literally no bass at all. Those speakers are moving a little bit though. Can't handle much movement. I'm just gonna hold this in place with my foot here.
Battery low.
Yeah, nobody cares. NCS music, by the way, YouTube. Don't copyright me. This is no copyright music, dude. No.
Battery low.
Yes, nobody cares. Okay, we're gonna blow these drivers later. Just gotta get these out. Okay, we're gonna like pry these drivers out. Oh, did this like disconnect from the amp? That disconnected from the amp, dude. Wait. Entire amp disconnected. I'm gonna have to find the spot to reconnect the speakers because I'm gonna reuse this amp after. Where would I connect the speakers? They're probably, oh yeah, probably right there. It's the plus and the minus though. Where the hell's the plus and the minus? Alright guys, watch this. Gonna get those wires the hell out of there. There we go, that exploded. Let's pull out these things. Are these wires connect to the speakers? What the hell? That's probably how it works, actually. Okay, look, let's try and get these crappy drivers out of here. Okay, it's split in half. Let's like step on these. We're gonna like bend this probably. We're gonna bend the driver out. We're gonna bend the plastic so the driver falls out. Watch this. And then we're gonna blow the cheap driver. Get the hell out of there. Okay. That flew far. Yeah, this thing's like glued in there. How the hell am I supposed to get that speaker out? Alright guys, seems like this speaker might actually be like mylar or plastic film. Black mylar, like black type, or it could be like plastic film, PET film or something like that. We're gonna get this crappy cover off by with the screwdriver. Also, I don't care if we damage the driver because we're just gonna blow it. Okay guys, watch this. We're gonna connect this to my subwoofer amp. Okay, so we've got my subwoofer amp right here. We're gonna just connect this speaker right to it. Got this like crappy speaker wired up. We're gonna play NCS on it. Let's see what happens. Oh. 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 That was... Oh. Oh yeah, it's starting to smell bad. Oh yeah, that smells bad. Let's disconnect that from the amp. Whatever. Okay, let's just see what happened to this speaker, I guess. Smash it out of there. No, it's like attached to it. Oh, the coil flew right out. Coil flew right out. Oh, yep, that coil's got... Yep, that coil. If my damn camera can focus. It's the coil. Yep, that thing has split. You can see like some splitting there. Yep. Yeah. Oh my god. I don't know if the speaker still works. Guys, you think this speaker still works? I just hit the magnet and it just bent. I'm assuming it still works. It's just, yeah. Lopsided. We're gonna have to bend this out now. Let's see here. Here's our like crappy half-bent stupid driver thing. We're gonna get the screwdriver. I think I got the second speaker wired up finally. Or wait, no, I didn't. The song's playing. Does the speaker even work? Please don't tell me the speaker doesn't even work. Oh! Oh! Did you see that? Did I just short out the amp? Oh! Oh! Did you see that? Oh! Oh! Did you see that? Oh! Oh! Did I just short out the amp? I think I just blew it. It's still working. Can you hear that? It's still on. Let's see what happens if we do this. Okay, it just makes a buzzing sound. This speaker driver, this thing, bent, still works. It just blew. Let's destroy that. Is a messed up spider. Okay, that was absolutely insane. So yeah, these speakers are very good, even though, like in my opinion, these things go super loud. Look at how much they move too. It sounds super good. And I'm gonna use these passive radiators for something. Yeah, so guys, bye. Hope you enjoyed this video. And that was looking inside these big speakers with small magnets and destroying a crappy Sylvania speaker that sounds like crap and then blowing the speakers. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.